Hello Napa, how are you? I'm fine, Dapa, and you? Same to you, dear friend. You're looking worried. Is there any problem? No, I've no personal problem. But I'm very upset about the problem of illiteracy in our country. Oh, I see. Illiteracy is undoubtedly a great problem. Actually, it's nothing but a curse. You're right. It's the root cause of frustration that hinders all our development efforts. Exactly. No development efforts can succeed without eradication of illiteracy. Exactly so. Our girls and women are the worst sufferers from illiteracy. But how can we get rid of this problem? I think the government should take effective steps to solve this problem. The government should make education free up to graduate level and help the poor students financially. You are partly right. But only government cannot solve this problem. The educated community should come forward and work hand in hand to solve this problem. It is okay. But the government should start adult schools again and take initiative so that our girls go to school and complete at least primary education. I agree with you. But creating mass awareness is also very important in this case. You are right. If we develop mass awareness among the guardians, they will be aware of the importance of education. Great. Students like us also can encourage the illiterate guardians for sending their children to school. We should do it because it is our social duty. Thank you. Exactly. If we all are sincere in words and deeds, eradicating illiteracy from our country is not impossible. You're quite right, Napa. You are most welcome.